Hey there, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up exclusive expire offer timer on your GoHighLevel. Okay, so GoHighLevel already have two different countdown timer on their page builder, but we are talking about a different one. Okay, so let me show you the difference and the existing one. Okay, so they have day timer. Okay, so which is actually the one day. Okay, so that within the day you can set up the time. Okay, the hours. Okay, you can set the time, and they have the universal minute timer, which is the evergreen timer actually, where you can set up the number of hours, minutes and seconds. Okay, and each time is a reload, the minute timer start from start. Okay, so it's actually an evergreen timer. Okay, but the timer that I am talking about now, okay, exclusive offer countdown timer. Okay, so this one is a bit different than the existing timer they have. Okay, so let me explain a little bit. Let's say you have an offer for a certain amount of time. Let's say for 7-day exclusive offer, or a 3 days exclusive offer. Okay, and after that time expire, you want to redirect people to that offer expired page or anything else. Okay, so in this case you cannot set up that timer. Okay, and you cannot set that amount of days, hours and minutes, seconds, etc. Okay, so within this exclusive offer countdown timer you can set that. Okay, so in your landing page or offer page you can set the number of days or your offer will be available, and then after that let's say the time, when the time expire, then it will automatically redirect people to the expire offer page, or it can be your other landing page. Okay, so let me show you a real life example. Okay, so here in this page we are just offering our GHL SaasKit all access pass. Okay, for a 7-day campaign. Okay, so for 7 days we're actually celebrating our 200 plus community members. Okay, so in our GHL SaasKits community we already have 200 plus members, and they're actively using our course snippets, our all other resources. Okay, so for this case we are offering a exclusive offer. Okay, so for all access pass. Okay, so within this all access pass, okay, we offer everything we have now. Okay, like our course snippet, our smart script, AI advanced content writer, AI powered chatbot builder, commercial license included also. Okay, the proof for the social notification software, the Linkzap, link manager or QR code generator, insert track. Okay, so all the software and everything we offering for a one-time fee for $297. Okay, and this offer we are running for 7 days. Okay, so you can see here 4 days is still available, and this is a limited for 20 members only. Okay, so in this case we needed to have an we need to have a countdown timer which actually shows the days. Okay, the offer will be available, and after that when someone come to this page, then they will see that offer is expired. Okay, so that is why we have created this special countdown timer. Okay, and now you can see we are using it on our landing page. Okay, so if I reload this page, then you will see that it will show me the exact time that actually have. Okay, like this one. Okay, the minute timer, each time someone reload the page, the minute timer actually start from beginning. Okay, and the day timer is fine, but you cannot set the number of days. Let's say you have a 7 days offer or 3 days, as I said, you cannot set that with the day timer. Okay, so that's the reason we have created this exclusive offer countdown timer, and now you can set your number of days your offer is available, and then it will be expire. Okay, so it's actually true countdown timer. Okay, it's not a fake countdown timer. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, the page reloaded, and you can see here the timer is going on, and also no matter from where and when someone reload the page within this time, they will see only the available time, okay, for this offer. Okay, so let me show you how we can set that. Okay, so here I am on the page editor of GoHighLevel. You can see here. Okay, I just added the day timer. Okay, so if I delete both of them, then if I want to find time, then you can see here the day timer, and if I open the day timer, then you can only set the in time, okay, not the day. Okay, so here is the in time only, you can set that. Okay, and for the minute timer, let me get it. Okay, the minute timer, for the minute timer you can set the number of hours. Let's say 10 hours 45 minutes and 44 seconds. Okay, you can set that. Okay, so this is actually a evergreen timer, as I said. But in our GHL code snippet, we have created this exclusive offer countdown timer. Okay, this is actually in script where you just need to put the date, and everything else is fine. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, so at the very end of the script, you will see the option to put the date. Okay, so the month is a 0 base in JavaScript, so all users need to put the uh, uh, date and time. Okay, so first one is your year, then the month, then the date, then the hours. Okay, here is all other option. Okay, so basically you need to set, let's say today is 9th March of 2024, right? And I want to run this offer until 15th of this month. Okay, so I need to set that the month is 2, because the month in JavaScript start index from 0 base. So January is 0, February is 1, March is 2, this way. Okay, so you will also get full documentation into the code snippet library when you use this code. And also one more thing, this is our premium code snippet. Okay, so you will get this code snippet if you are a premium member of GHL SaasKits or the GHL code snippet. Okay, so you will get the code snippet as well as the full documentation on how to set that year, and also the month and date. Okay, so basically you need to say here for March you need to say 2. Okay, here. Okay, which is the March, and then the date. Okay, so if I want to run it until let's say 20 of this month, then I just need to put 20. Okay, and all other is fine. Okay, the hours, minutes and seconds is already fine. And then I also need to put the redirect URL. Okay, let's say you want to redirect some other URL where you want to show the offer is expired. Okay, so in this case I'm using our GHLSaasKits.com homepage. Okay, so when the offer ends, okay, the time expired, then people will automatically redirect to this URL. Okay, so let me save it. Okay, so as I said, in this example I am going to set my offer until 20th of this month. Okay, 20th March 2024. Okay, so let me save it and then save. Okay, so you can see here it's showing that it lives 12 days 5 hours 47 minutes and 25 seconds. Okay, so this is the exclusive offer countdown timer, or you can say it a true offer countdown timer. Okay, so it's not a fake timer or anything else. And this is a very important when you have some kind of offer for a certain amount of time, and after that you want to show that offer is expired or some other landing page. Okay, so I hope you get the ideas, and if you find this video helpful, then feel free to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to share with your friends. Okay, because we are making this type of course snippets always, and we are just always trying to make the missing piece of GoHighLevel. Okay, and we are looking for this. Okay, and one more thing. Okay, you can join our GHL SaasKits community, which is completely free. Okay, just you will get the link into the description of this video. Okay, just join to our GHL course snippet library, and into the learning tab you will get access all our free courses. Okay, like the AI training chatbot. Okay, these courses, our all access pass course snippet, as well as our GHL course snippet libraries. The free basic version you will get free, but if you want to get the premium version, all our course snippet, then you need to purchase this one. Okay, so you can also get the link inside the description of this video. Okay, but in our GHL SaasKits community, it's totally free. Here you will get all the updates and also the tips, tricks that we are sharing with our community members. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.